Early June 2025, Denmark in full green bloom, silver skies above, and crisp northern air that goes straight to your heart. But what truly warmed our hearts were our friends, with their warm Mediterranean smiles, Orit and Izzy, who invited us to a special event, the launch of their brand new electric yacht, X-49. And as a bonus, a friendly regatta in the charming town of Haderslev, southern Denmark. Before hitting the water, a short tour on the X-Yacht production facility, and then a flawless launch. Check out the short interview with the company's CEO and highlight video clips from the water, but before, enjoy the silence.
So we are with Crane. He is the CEO of X-Yacht, and we are extremely proud to launch today our new X4.9 Mark II electric.
And first of all, congratulations for your
Thank you
new
very
boat.
much.
We just did the first test sail and there was no noise at all.
No.
We did a few upgrades on the 4.9 to make it a Mark II with improved ergonomics here in the cockpit, a new view of the stern, and all kinds of small details that we learned from the first 54.9s that we have built, and they're now incorporated in this Mark II. And now we've both done 4.0, 4.3, 47s and 4.9s with electric, so it's becoming an integrated part of our product portfolio.
What do you think is the biggest advantage of electric to be on a sailing boat?
Yeah. I think the reason why we see electric becoming more popular with sailing boat is that when you have an X-Yacht, you don't use engine that much because you're under sail most of the time easy. But when you sometimes maybe in a lower breeze want to support your sailing, then the electric could give you a nice comfort with no noise at all. And otherwise you would only use your electric for in and out of the harbors. And I think that's why we see the sailboats going more into electric compared to the powerboat that needs power all the time.
Yes. I think this electric, the X4.9 electric have two propellers in the water.
Yeah.
It's really blow my mind the opportunity that it's create for sailing, especially for cruising sailing.
Yeah.
It's balanced the boat, and you have so many options to use it in advantage of sailing sensation.
Yeah, and now I saw your harbor maneuver. I know you're a good skipper, but harbor maneuvering with now two servo props down here makes you a different way of entering the harbor also. So that's a kind of comfort.
Yes.
I would also say what we talked about when we test sail here, that the regeneration with the two servo props you have here. So while you sail, you generate power for your battery.
We are extremely proud that X-Yacht gave us a good support to build something special. We feel special, and I hope we can fulfill our dreams with this boat.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Good luck and congratulations with your new boat.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Green.